Website InterWeb income costs 9. I am going to show you, I'm doing a quick screen recording. I'm going to show you what I've been working on in the past few weeks. And it's all about gradual expansion and editing and upgrading old work and creating new work so all the URLs eventually get indexed into the search engines. So here we go. Website InterWeb income costs 9. This is what I've been working on. Today, I created a new blog post on myincomejob.com. You see it right up here. And I created this banner, and it speaks about mobile banking. And when you click on the link to read more, this page opens up. There is an app I've been using, a mobile banking app. It's called One. And when I complete Spark jobs, I deliver Walmart goods and some other stores too. But when I complete a Spark job, I get paid instantly on the One banking app. So they are very new and they're rolling out many new features. And I look forward to using it daily to receive money, to spend money, to save money, and eventually pay bills. So I put together this blog. It speaks about money, banking, income, savings, investment. It's all in here. Pockets. I created pockets to help me save for future bills, for future spending. And if you would like to review it, I will include the link in the description below. And I have my own video here showing an inside view to my One Bank account. And I also speak about how I receive my Spark tips within 24 hours in this video. But the point is, it speaks about money, income, payments, savings, to get a better grip on your financial position, your financial standing. And it's a hot topic. And there's some ads, and AdSense placed these ads there. I didn't place this ad there. They felt this already new blog that I uploaded today should receive ads on this blog post already. Here's another ad. That's incredible. That's really cool. So that's at myincomejob.com. This banner came out really nice. Next. On my other website, storebuy.shop, I've been updating old pages, not blog posts, web pages I decided to keep. And each one of these pages, I have 5 of them in the back end of my WordPress account. There's 20 pages per page on this. So 24, 68, 100. I have 100 pages to upgrade. I'm going to go to page 2. I'm up to peppers. I have to continue on with peppers. Here, I'll open this just to give you an example. Sorry, it's taking a moment because I'm recording. I have it all set up. I'm setting up initial work to show ads. I guess I should show you the page. And I have this set up. That's initial work that I don't have to do again in the future. And, oh, I should get rid of that. I wonder why that's like that. I tried to get rid of that before. Isn't that weird? It don't show on here. That's stuff you learn as you go along. For some reason, I just don't want to go away. But that's okay. The page still looks good. And what I mean upgrade, I added the ads on top. I use a plugin to add these ads on many other URLs. This is content I created a few days ago to bring this page back to life. And then I added this paragraph too. And it's coming along. It's coming along. So that's what I've been working on. There's really not much more to say. I'm working hard behind the scenes to expand and increase the odds of me earning more daily passive income faster. I want to earn more each day from all the work I'm producing. So I hope you enjoyed the website InterWeb Income Cost 9. And yes, it's a quick screen recording, and I'm not creating this perfect edited video, but I am sharing with you what I'm doing behind the scenes as the summer rolls along. I'm not giving up. I'm moving forward. I'm perfecting skills, and I'm making it happen. I expect to become very successful online from all the skills I've developed, all the things I've learned, and it's time to earn significant passive streams of income, not just a little bit every day. I want to earn enough that I could work on my business and I still have enough money coming in that I don't have to go out and work for money. I've been in that transition a long time, and it's happening. So I'll see you in the next video clip. Stay tuned for website InterWeb Income Cost 9, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.